Hello guys, how are you? I'm just doing a video here about the oil change of my car, and I had to take out the wheels to put new tires on. So as you may know by now, I really love the Pirelli tires. I will assemble my new Pirelli tires on my wheel, on my rim, but I want to move my car while the tires are on the tire shop. So I have the original tire for my car, for my Alfa 155, and I have a spare wheel to pair with this one, so I can move my car. This wheel also fits on my 33 and on my 75, I wish. So I have these two wheels here to run my car. But beware of something. The aluminum rims, the bolts that go on them are longer than the ones that go on the steel rim. The steel rim is much thinner, as you can imagine, and those long ones will not work on the hub. The hub is just a certain depth, and if you put these long bolts on this hub, you will actually damage something on back there. So what you should do, and some brands actually don't do this from factory, you need shorter bolts for the steel rim. I'm remembering here Renault, for example, does this. From factory, they supply 4 bolts for your spare steel rim. Okay, so I hope you like this quick tip. I hope you can enjoy my content. I'm sorry about my voice, I'm really sick right now, but I still am trying to give you quality content. See you next time, guys. Bye.